Today we will see session number 5, applying dress-up features in CATIA. Dress-up features belongs to part design. These dress-up features are accessible from functional molded part. Dressing up features are done by applying commands to one or more supports. The application provides a large number of possibilities to achieve the features meeting your needs. This one is a dress-up feature. First one is a edge fillet. A fillet is a curved face of a constant or variable radius that is a tangent to and that joins two surfaces together. These three surfaces from either an inside corner or an outside corner. In drafting terminology, the curved surface of an outside corner is generally called a round and that of an inside corner is normally referred to as a fillet. Edge fillets are smooth traditional surfaces between the two adjacent spaces. This one is a edge fillet definition box is that we will see in CATIA. Firstly, select a XY plane and sketch and draw one rectangle, exit, and after that pad it 40 and just click on OK. Now you can see this one is a edge fillet is there. Select this face and give the radius of it 15 and selection mode is tangency. Click on preview. Okay, you can see this is a edge fillet. Second one is a variable radius fillet. Variable radius fillets are curved surface defined according to a variable radius. A variable radius corner means that at least two different constant radii are applied to two entire edges. Let's see in CATIA. Here, go in drop down and variable radius fillet is there. Select edge to fillet is the selection this one. Tangency is there, two elements means points, first one and second one. Radius is a 15 and preview and okay, you can see it. This is a variable and again you can select this one and give as a 10. Okay, after that here you can give here 20. This is called as variable. You can change it. You can see shape is a just like a variable. Next one is the third one is the face-to-face fillets are there. The face-to-face fillets commands is used when there is no intersection between the faces or when there are more than two sharp edges between the faces. Let's see in a CATIA. Firstly, we are just deleting this first one. Uh, Now, see here in drop down, you can see face-to-face fillet is there. Means selection of a face. This one and this one and radius is a 10 and the preview you can see face to face means selection of a faces and next one is the tri-tangent fillet. The creation of a tri-tangent fillet involves the removal of one of the three faces selected. We will see this one in drop down. This one is a tri-tangent fillet. Select face to fillet and select face to remove and You can see. Select again and select phase 1, phase 2 and phase 2 remove and preview and OK. You can see this one is the right tangent. Next one is the jumpers. Jumpering consists in removing or adding a flat sections from a selected edges to create a beveled surface between the two original faces common to that edge. You obtain a jumper by propagations along one or several edges. Let's see in CATIA. You can see here this one is a jumper. Select object to jumper. I want this one and length is just increasing at angle 45 degree and preview and OK. You can see this one is a jumper. Sixth one is a basic draft features. Drafts are defined on a model molded parts to make them easier to remove from molds. There are two ways of determining the object to draft, either by explicitly selecting the object or by selecting the neutral elements, which makes the application detects the appropriate faces to use. Second one is a draft from reflect lines. This tag shows you how to draft a face by using a reflect lines as a neutral lines from which the resulting face will be generated. In the scenario, you will also trim the material to be created by defining a parting elements. And next one is a variable angle drafts. Sometimes you cannot draft faces by using a constant angle value. If even if you set squares mode, and this task shows you how and another way of drafting by using a different angle values. Let's see in a criteria. Just delete it, jumper one, and you can see here this one is a draft definition boxes. We will see first one at a 5 degree and select this space, uh, selecting this space and select a neutral one and this one or select this one, preview and OK. You can see somewhat drafting is given at a 5 degree. And next one is the, you can see this one, select face to draft this one and neutral elements are there this one. You can see point is automatically selected two elements and I'm selecting this point and giving a 10 degree and this one is a 20 degree. Okay, now we will see preview and OK. You can see this type of drafts we can make. Let's say next one is the ninth one is the thickness. Sometimes some thickness have to be added or removed before machining the part. This tag shows you how to add a thickness to a part or use a thickness as a local modifier on a part. Let's say in a CATIA, here you can see this one is a thickness. Select this one face and other face this one, and thickness is given 10, and okay, you can see thickness is somewhat increased by 10. Next one is threads and types are there. We will see after this one, and this one is a sales. Selling a features means emptying it while keeping a given thickness on its sides. Selling may also consist in adding thickness to the outside. This tag shows you how to create a cavity. This tag shows you how to thread a cylindrical pad. We will see in CATIA. You can see this one is a sail. Select this one and give the inside thickness 1 mm. Outside is a and the face to remove. I want this one and the other faces thickness faces. You can see and click on OK. You can see select pan and this one is a shell and this one is a threads and tabs are there. The threads tab capabilities creates a threads or tabs between depending on the cylindrical or entity of interest. This tag shows you how to thread a cylindrical pad. We will see in a CATIA. Select this face, sketch, draw one circle here, exit the sketch and pad it. Preview and OK. You can see this one is a thread. Select thread, select lateral face and limit face, this one, and dimensions, thread diameters are there and right threaded are there. Preview, you can see. You can see this one in a specification tree, thread, diameter, depth, pitch is applied. Thank you. This session is ended.